Oh! Almond made it.
I love this thing.
Good TV, isn't it? I can't wait.
I bask in the warmth of your hearts. I couldn't imagine a better fate. With my shadow I have cast than a long, lustrous 6 more weeks of winter.
That groundhog's eating all of the attention. On cue, he looked over the crowd. So Puxatawny Phil says 6 more weeks of winter. He saw his shadow this year, and all of the look at all those people. Pomp and circumstance of this.
6 more weeks again. Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome to another episode of Hanging with Nathan. Nearly a month later. I apologize for not uploading. It's been, I don't know, anything that I did have going on, I just didn't really deem interesting to, to put on the channel. Anyway, if you're wondering why this is back up here, Bobby D is a very, very mean mouse to his father. And that's all I'm going to say about that. But, Checkers is safe up here. And I think that's all that matters for right now. So I decided I'm going to put the mice in the balls for a little while. But alright, without much more to say, let's get these mice going and make a cute little pet video. I only have 6 of these. I'm going to use 4 of them. And then I'm going to use 6. I'm going to put Checkers, Bobby D, Almond, and Ash in the 4. And then I'll put the remaining 6 girls in there once I'm done with them. So I'll just start off with my men over here. Well, Bobby D has never done this, so... And now we're gonna get them in. Took long enough, but I finally got them in. Ready, girls? Alright, I got Almond. And last but not least, Ash. Oh, see, we already got some runners. And we have our audience. The cats just got fed, so I gotta give it to Checkers. He didn't run at all the first time I tried this. It's your son, Almond. Great. Bobby D is gonna go to the kitchen. Oh! Alma made it. Well, I think it's time we take them to see Sadie. I think Pixie and Gypsy... I think the cats have had enough. I see Almond. She found Almond. I know. Look at how far away Ash is.
I know, eh?
She's gone. She's not coming back. There we go. Well, that was fun. Right, Pixie? But, I'm gonna put these 4 away. Checkers meets his mini-me once again. Mini Checkers first. Now Fazora, Vanna, Ale, and last but not least, Ingrid. Oh, Vanna's gone. These mice are so confused. I don't think they know what to do.
New to them.
This is brand new to them.
Wow, I'm surprised they even stopped at all. Whatsoever. I don't even know where she is.
Just chilling on the computer.
Who's watching?
Yes.
Both of them?
Yes. Well, Gypsy more. That's Ollie.
Good exercise for them.
They've been sitting at this heater for a long time. Before Vanna went over there to be mean, Mini Checkers and Lucille were legitimately sleeping. That's hilarious. I've never seen a mouse fall asleep in their balls before. That's going to be it for today, you guys. Thanks for watching. Hope all of you enjoyed. Just really quick, I wanted to show off my other animals, and I just totally failed to mention this, but as of January 17th, I've had Cleveland a year, so he is my second shrimp to surpass a year. And there are other shrimp in here, too. They're just hiding. Well, except for Adley over here. He's okay. Here's Velvet. All my baby shrimp. Oh, and Madison. Stella. There's 2 of Mom's shrimp. Oh, 3. Wait, 1 in the eye there. And there's Mom's giant yellow one, Hanks. And Orchid actually got a new tank recently. Seth got it for Mom. So here's Orchid right here. But yeah, looks nice. So until then, everybody, have a good day, and I'll see you later.